Listen, baby, somebody is thinking about you right now. Listen, if you seeing this is not random. This ain't random, baby. Okay, listen, somebody is thinking about you right now because I got the Page of Cups, I got the Nine of Cups, and we got this lover's energy, okay? Listen, with Angel Hanael. So listen, they're about to make a move. Somebody about to make a move, baby. They thinking about you right now, okay? They about to, somebody gonna be reaching out. I'm telling y'all, they gonna be, listen, let me tell you something. They've been holding back, but somebody wanna reach out. This is emotional. It may, listen, it may even be nervous energy. Somebody nervous, cause see, they don't know really how you gonna respond. You know what I'm saying? They don't really know. And so listen, this energy is strong, okay? Let me tell you this. This is wish fulfillment though, okay? You are what they want, all right? And so you're the person that they think about when they imagine happiness, okay? But see, here's the twist, baby. I told you the lovers is here. So this is a choice. Either they choose you or they stay stuck. Because, or listen, or either you gonna choose them, baby, or you gonna walk away. You gonna walk right away because you ain't got time. You got stuff to do, okay? And this ain't about no fantasy. This is about, okay, are they going to step up? Somebody got to step up here because you don't have time. So listen, and guess what? And are you going to accept the bare minimum or require more? You know what I'm saying? Because we're not doing that, y'all, on this timeline. But see, let me tell you why. This is why they haven't text you yet, okay? And it's not what you think. Because see, yes, this person feels deeply, but they're conflicted, okay? They want you, but this shows emotional immaturity, okay? They don't know how to express themselves, and you ain't got time for people that don't know how to communicate, okay? Listen, we're not living in that era no more. We're expressing ourselves over here, y'all. So listen. There's a decision that you got to make, baby. And listen, either fear or another person, okay? Or this is what's going on with them. Fear or another person or their own situation is blocking them. So guess what? They're not, but here's the truth. This is a truth bomb. They ain't confused about you. They're scared of what comes with you, baby. This is just the truth. Don't chase. Let people choose. Let people make their own choices in their own life, okay? Because you ain't got time. You got stuff to do. You ain't chasing nothing, okay? Because see, real love, baby, ain't got to hide. It don't hide itself, all right? You ain't got time for all of that. So guess what? I want y'all to type in the comments, this is the truth if you ever felt like that, okay? And follow me on this channel. Because guess what? I'm trying to tell y'all, somebody about to reach out, baby. This connection is not over. It ain't over. This is unfinished emotional business. I'm trying to tell y'all, unfinished emotion. They still got feelings. You done moved on. Some of y'all done already moved on and this person still got feelings for you. Yeah, but they don't want to step up. They conflicted. All they do is think about you though, okay? They still want you. Is this desire? What is this? Listen, this is the type of bond, baby. Let me tell you, it don't just disappear. I'm just saying. But see, here's the truth. Here's the reality check. Okay, somebody, like I said, they got a choice. And right now, that choice has not been made. But you ain't finna force nothing. But they, listen, but I'm going to tell you what they better do. And they know they going to have to do. They're going to have to come correct, baby, when it concerns you. Okay? If they come back, listen, it's going to be emotional. But the question is, baby, will you accept it? Some of y'all ain't even finna accept this. I'm trying to tell y'all what I know. Some of y'all ain't even finna do it, okay? This is the honest to God truth. Because somebody been playing way too long. They've been playing in your face. That's really what they've been doing, okay? With not wanting to step up and make a decision when it concerns you. So guess what, baby? Some of y'all, like I said, y'all done already moved on with your life, all right? So listen, that's the truth. That's the real truth. And honey, listen. The truth is this. They lost something, baby, that made them happy. Yup, that's the truth. Because see, baby, they thought you was an option. But you wasn't no option. Your wish fulfillment, baby. Yeah. I'm just saying. You wish fulfillment. So they had you all messed up thinking you was an option. Not when you the real deal Holyfield. Yeah. So now guess what? Somebody either also made their choice. And now they trying to question it. Okay? Because they stuck with the decisions that they made. And the choices that they made too. Okay? Guess what, baby? They regret. Ain't got nothing to do with you. And regret doesn't always mean return. I'm just saying. I know what I'm talking about. Sometimes people realize, baby, too late. Too late. So guess what? If they even came back today, would you even want them? Because, honey, this is a part of you healing. You ain't got time. You got stuff to do. But see, they still want to replay them conversations in their head, wishing that they handled things differently, wishing that the truth is that they wanted to handle you differently. They regretting that they didn't handle you differently now. This is what listen, it ain't just one person either. It's several. It's several people wishing that they should have handled you differently. Okay? So guess what? I ain't finna say, listen, I ain't even finna go there, okay? Because see, this message right here, baby, it's enough. And it may even be just too late. But then they want to be like Biggie, one more chance. No, ain't no more chances. Either you step up or you move around. That's it. They got to step up. Or they gonna be moving around. And they gonna be, now they been moving around. That's really what they been doing. And now they trying to question their choice. Man, please, get out of here. Listen, this is the message you need to know. This is the truth, y'all. See, I tell you what's happening behind the scenes, baby. Because see, ain't nobody else finna tell you the truth but me. Ain't nobody else finna tell you the truth but me. Me and the word of God. He said, thy word is the truth. Sanctify them through thy word, okay? So guess what? Let me tell you this. And guess what? They watching you. Yeah, they watching you. They want to keep tabs on you. You know? They trying to figure out what you up to, what you doing, okay? Listen, they watching everything. Some of these folks is sitting back watching everything you do. It's silent emotional attachment. This is exactly what it is. Checking your page, thinking about you, messaging you, trying to watch you, typing and deleting on social. They watching you now on social media. Whatever you're doing now, they watching you. Yeah. You might not even be on social media and they still trying to watch you, these folks. Do y'all hear me? They enjoy seeing you though. This is the truth. You make them feel something. Yeah. They're struck. That's what they are. But they want to sit back and watch instead of choose. You ain't got time for that. Watching is not the same, baby, as showing up. And you the show up king. And some of y'all to show up queen too. And you ain't got time for people to be watching you and they ain't gonna show up. You ain't got time. You deserve someone who doesn't hesitate. This is the truth. No more watchers. No more watchers, y'all. We on a new timeline. Bye-bye. Make a choice or bye-bye. Yeah, I said it. This is the angel message you need, baby, today. Okay? Because is it going to be new love, versus old love. That's what it's gonna be. Okay, listen, you.